無驚無險放工食飯睇片。
你做一點這樣的模型再說。寶寶，我不會。這筆斷了。寶寶，我不會做，好難。好擠呀！就是要不啊！被你們打。This is impossible to do. Yeah, Daddy, can you open this? Wow! Daddy, can you help me open this? Please. Go on. Can you help me open this? This is not sharing. Can you help me open this? No, no, let's. 好多人都被分尸了。还有，他们刚才都开始多了没？你嫌那个人干嘛？OK， 这个好了。
你股份嘅話咧，就8蚊港幣嘅，打人就200蚊港幣喎。貴軍嘅話就100。
Daddy, I want one cake. Give me one cake. Daddy, what happened my? 我要不要喝牛奶？爸。
呢個彈琴已經唔係彈琴啦，呢個係。
6個卡。我要不要喝牛奶？不用，我要這個。
呢個銅獎唔係第3名呢個。
CB。
銅獎唔係第3名，銅獎60%就變咗6獎可以啦。
啊？
銅獎係呢個成績個60%就如果銅獎係。
冠軍。
都係 piano 咯。
應該用係 piano 啊？即係 piano 所以。
反正對嘅，
係咯。
哇！
想好，牛奶怎麼樣？好吧，爸，至少也上一杯。再來一個。好少食啦，證書啊，60蚊啫喎。
我都錯啊！點解我覺得咧，即係平時你哋呢啲人先啊買就有咗錢啦。我唔知你覺得佢買油。點解我唔見啲啊？差唔多唔做，即係呢盤都冇。但係我係話係啊，當係贏嗰啲 competition 比賽咧，係因為佢自己唔想賴，即係即係你努力之後成果咧，咁啊，想係佢自己。
之前我加油。
一開始我哋想睇嗰個遊戲好少玩嘅，即係興趣嚟㗎，反正佢風花嘅。遊戲幣咪幣咯，可以㗎。但係咧，佢之後贏啲嘢翻嚟咧，冇錯飲㗎。因為有啲努力，因為你有努力過啊嘛。但係其實因為唔係獎勵生日係翻喺度，即係生日點會努力過咧？係咪？因為呢個大你巴努力個生日嘅人嘅生。
My birthday present is two robot。
咁啊，弟弟哥哥有咩禮物啊？
我要吃這個。跟美人魚要不要帶去這個啊？咁如果我係你，你知美人魚我係呢個嘢個，係一種。
第一個係打第一名嘅話，有1000蚊。
如果我下年即係，如果即係，
第一名1000蚊。
係咪某科嘅？某科第一名啊？
可以。
咁我有啊。
首科第一名係咩？係科第一名係100蚊。
冇科，我有。
300蚊，科第一名300。
我有喎。
过，
是啊，
快点来，一个男
这个就已经退换过几次了，还是拿来退？什么？这是什么？你上次买那个 iPad 的时候，又拿来退？我考到我咩？我考到我 band 咗，考得好好。
唔係個 band 都扮馬，
係啊，
band 都
我
咗。
band 噶。
啊，
我你中学歌是 band 的。
我問中學未畢業，
啊？
我讀過中學嘅香港，我哋我8歲未畢業。
啊？
An old man turned 98. He won the law to take it and die the next day. There's a black fly in your Chardonnay. There's a death row pardon 2 minutes too late. And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you already played. It's a good advice that you just didn't take. Who would have thought in Vegas? Mr. Played it safe, was afraid to fly. He bagged his suitcase and kissed his kiss goodbye. He waited his whole damn life to take the flight, and as the plane crashed down, he thought, well, isn't this nice? And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? A traffic jam when you're already late. A smoking sign on your cigarette break. It's 10,000 spoon when all you need is a life. It's meeting the man of my dream, and then meeting his beautiful wife. And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? A little too ironic. And yet ready I do think life has a funny way of helping you out.